Musumbi William Ruto na Mutongoi wa kyama cha ODM Raila Odinga nimeekia ngiithio Wiw'Ano wina itui ikumi cia Kuthukuma kwavamwe ula meutumia ta ngwatanio ya kyama kana na ngwatanio ya kyama cha ODM na kila cha UDA nthini wa kutwaiisya kwavamwe utongoi nthini wa myaka ili ila itialite ya tamwambe wa Musumbi William Ruto. Musumbi Ruto ni wakathi ya itambia Raila kwitikila Kuthukuma na serikali Wiw'Ano ula ndongoi ili kwa mituki cia lumilia kana ndwina kilelo cha kusuvya ngwatanio ya kiureti katikati wa siama ile Benjamin Mwaka nukuelezea.
A hand applause to the
President William Ruto na Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga yume na ngwatanio thukumi mbandikanie na wina Wiw'Ano wa siama ciocieli UDA na ODM thino wa chathi kinene cha Kwikia Saii Wiw'Ano kila chatwaiwe sangione ambumbanio ya KICC itui ikumi cia Wiw'Ano one cia tandua awanda uthaini. Raila na Ruto ni maweta mewanie Kuthukuma kwavamwe kuthukumithia livoti ya natco na ila kwa uyu moko ni mambunge aeli ingi ni mewana no ngitha makwatianie no kana maetene nthi vamwe sektani cionthe fate kuvathulwa ingi nthino Wiw'Ano wome na serikali cia mitiuko na uthukumi wa serikali cia kaunti wimiwe na uitwi kwa ndu vailite no Wiw'Ano ni vala Ruto na Raila menda muika withwe gitui kinene nthino wa mwiano wa nthi undu umwe na kwailia utongoi wa serikali wina mituo myailu.
Priority issues in the NADCO process like the cost of living, youth unemployment, establishing a framework for the implementation of the 2/3 gender rule have been the topics of discussion for far too long and now must be actualized. While this memorandum does not define the formation of a political coalition between the respective political parties, its successful implementation will inform the basis of steps towards the establishment of a progressive and stable country.
The carrier goal of the MOU is to help ease the prevailing tensions in the country, reconcile the population, alleviate their suffering, and move the country forward by addressing the critical social, political, and economic issues our people are grappling with today.
That while our political parties may differ in strategy, we share a common goal: to build a united, secure, and prosperous Kenya under a government that is capable, committed, and willing to ensure abundance and opportunity for all without exception.
Wiw'Ano wa President William Ruto na Raila Odinga atongoi aeli nimewana no ngina ene nthi harao nthe maumite mutiano wa maandamano maiwe ingi Wiw'Ano wiete mitobo mwa kusuania yulu wa mathie manthi kukutana na ulusani kusia wanangiko wa uthi wa nthi vamwe na kumina sieko cia kuvuluka kwa aki cia ene nthi la kwina maandamano na sieko cia ene nthi kutekwa nyara ni serikali.
Mara hii tutatembea pamoja. Tumesema tunataka kuunganisha Wakenya wote wawe kama kitu kimoja, ili vijana waweze kupata ajira, gharama maisha irudi chini, bei ya unga irudi chini, kodi ya nyumba irudi chini, sawa sawa, na matibabu vile vile imarishwe. Yale yote tuko tayari kushirikiana na serikali ili ifanyike kwa Wakenya wote pamoja.
Leo ni ile siku ya kumalizana na ukabila, kumalizana na chuki, kuondoa ubaguzi na kuunganisha Wakenya wote. Na wauliza watu wa Nairobi, munasema tuungane ama tutengane? Tuungane ama tutengane?
Wiw'Ano wono wakathiwa muno ati o President William Ruto vamwe na Raila meweta yeti ngwatanio ya kiuteti ya siama ile mala maweta one Wiw'Ano wa kumina uteti wake mbae na mianiko ya kiutongoi.
Today we are not signing to sharing positions, we are signing to issues that affect our people. So we have today told the people of Kenya that it is not about positions, that actually the issues that have been bedeviling this country are the most critical issues that should bring us together.
You and His Excellency the Prime Minister are leaders of the two largest political parties in the country. That means, Your Excellency, that you also bear a greater responsibility than any other political parties or political leaders in the country. Because you are leading the two largest political parties in the country, you also bear a greater responsibility to Kenyans and to the world. And part of that great responsibility is to ensure the unity of our country and the prosperity of our country.
This memorandum of understanding is not about sharing positions or winning elections. It is about the people and the interests of Kenya.
Kwa President William Ruto kana hii laisi kwa Raila kuvikia utio atio vaingwa mwenendo wa ile na thina na ngwatanio ya muthemba uno.
Nobody can fault unity. Nobody can fault equity. Nobody can fault not leaving anyone behind. Nobody can fault bringing this entire country together and making everybody in this country feel a part of this country.
So I thank you, Your Excellencies, for making brave decisions, because not everyone can make those kind of decisions. Many people, even claiming to be leaders, are weak, so they make weak decisions. They make selfish decisions. They make sectarian decisions. They make decisions that only serve to their interest as opposed to the interest of society as a whole.
Very few people can put the interests of the nation and the interests of the people above or ahead of their own personal interests. I say that without fear of any contradiction, because I know the kind of difficulty my elder brother has got to go through in getting us to this position.
Vilingi wa mauvo kuma Vamwe sinelovi nyeneto Benjamin Mwaka.